Nothing like a nice, hot, sunny area to lay down and nap the day away. Must be nice. Such lazy bones. You're lazy bones, aren't you? What you doing, Soot? Huh? Getting nice and warm, getting energy. How about you, Isis? Same thing? Soaking up sun rays? Huh? Yeah? You guys having fun? What's up, Sooters? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I interrupt your nap? You were having a dream? How about you? Were you having a dream? Oh, you guys are so sweet and you're all so warm now. Whoa. I'm glad you had a good nap. I'll leave you to be. I'm sure I'm bothering you like usual. Isis. Okay.